Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of sleep. Did you know that while you rest, your body is hard at work? In this video, we'll explore 5 amazing things that happen to your body when you sleep. Stay tuned to learn how sleep impacts your health in ways you might not have imagined. AEGISBODY. Stay strong, healthy, and beauty. Welcome, my Chanel. First up, your brain processes and consolidates memories. During sleep, your brain is busy organizing and storing the information you've gathered throughout the day. This process helps you retain new knowledge and improves your ability to recall it later. Think of it as your brain's way of tidying up and making space for new memories. Next, your body undergoes cellular repair and growth. While you're asleep, your body produces growth hormones that aid in the repair of tissues and muscles. This is especially important for those who are active or recovering from injuries. Sleep gives your body the time it needs to heal and regenerate. Third, your immune system gets a boost. During sleep, your immune system releases cytokines, which are essential for fighting infections and inflammation. A good night's sleep can strengthen your immune response, making you less susceptible to illnesses. Fourth, your body balances its hormones. Sleep plays a crucial role in regulating hormones such as cortisol, the stress hormone, and insulin, which controls blood sugar levels. Disrupted sleep can lead to hormonal imbalances, which may contribute to weight gain, stress, and other health issues. Finally, your skin repairs itself. During the deeper stages of sleep, your body increases blood flow to the skin, which helps repair damage from UV exposure and other environmental factors. This is why a good night's sleep is often referred to as beauty sleep. Sleep is more than just a way to rest. It's a vital process that keeps your body and mind functioning at their best. So, make sure to prioritize your sleep and enjoy all these incredible benefits. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on health and wellness. Sweet dreams! Thanks for watching. Until next time, take care and stay healthy.